Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
We are fine, teacher.
It was great that you are all fine. Now, class, we have a game. Are you familiar with doctor's checkup?
No.
Okay, all you have to do is you are going to guess the flash pictures here. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Ready na? Ready na?
Ready na, ready na.
Okay. What is this class?
Sit on.
Oh, very good, Arlene. You guessed it right. How about this one? Fever. How about this one? Okay, very good, Justine. How about this one? Tip or mumps? How about this one? Or hanga. Very good. So, class, we have here another activity. Are you familiar with the four corners? Okay, I have posted 4 pictures in the 4-wall classroom, and you are going to choose which picture that you've experienced during your childhood. So, are you ready, class? Okay, let's begin. Okay, are you ready? How about this one? Arlene, what did you feel during your childhood? Oh, you experienced Oh, how about here?
Ever since I was young and even today, I am experiencing colds and I can't breathe. It is difficult for me to breathe because my nose is, itchy.
Oh, that was fun. Very good, July. And how about here, Raymar? What did you feel as you experienced sore eyes?
I was ashamed to my friends. I was being stopped at my room. Yes.
Oh, thank you, Raymar. Thank you for sharing your idea. How about this corner? What did you feel?
I feel horny.
You feel hot? Okay, how about resumes? What did you feel? Oh, thank you for sharing your ideas, class. You may now take your seats. So, class, based from the activity and the game that we've done, what do you think will be our topic this morning? Okay, Reina.
Based on the picture, I think our topic this morning is all about common childhood diseases.
Okay, let's give 5 claps to Renee. Okay, very good. Our topic this morning is all about the common childhood diseases. But before anything else, let's read our objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify the common childhood diseases, describe the common childhood diseases, and write and match the common childhood diseases.
Okay, what is a childhood disease? Who wants to read? Justine?
A childhood disease is an abnormal condition that affects primarily on infants and children.
Okay, thank you, Justine. A childhood disease is an abnormal condition that affects primarily on infants and children. So, class, there are 5 common childhood diseases. These are, first,
itchy, fluid-filled blisters that eventually turn into scabs, with a fever, headache, sore throat, or stomach ache.
So did you experience the chicken pox class?
Yes.
How did you feel that, Arlene?
Very itchy, teacher.
Uncomfortable to you. So uncomfortable.
Yes.
Okay. And the third one is common cold. So this is very common. Who wants to read?
Arlene.
Resume.
Common colds includes sneezing, stuffy nose, runny nose, sore throat, coughing, and watery eyes.
Okay, thank you, Resume. So common colds is very common class, no?
Yes.
Did you? I know that all of us here
Yes.
experience common colds because
Yes.
it's very common.
Yes.
Next is the influenza or trangkaso. Justine, please read.
Influenza or trangkaso includes fever or feeling feverish or chill, cough, sore throat, running or stuffy nose, muscle or body aches, headaches, and fatigue.
Okay, thank you, Justine. So influenza or trangkaso includes fever or feeling feverish or chills. So we already experienced that also. And the last one is mumps or
Mumps
Arlene?
Mumps or pita is best known for puffy cheeks.
So if your cheeks became puffy, so that is known as mumps.
Marinti and
Yes. So class, did you understand about
Yes.
Very good. So you're going to identify the common childhood disease. What do you think? Will you please give one?
Teacher.
Jelly?
Chicken pox.
Very good.
Teacher.
Justine?
Common colds.
Very good.
Trangkaso or influenza.
Okay.
Sore eyes.
And the last one is?
Mumps.
Very good. Now class, how are you going to describe a sore eyes?
A red eye.
Very good, Arlene. If we have a sore eyes, we feel itchy and red eyes. And then, common cold. So are you going to describe it?
Sneezing.
Sneezing.
No sneezing,
Stuffy eyes.
Yes.
And influenza.
Headache.
Headache.
Colds.
Yeah.
How about mumps?
Puffy cheeks.
Very good. So class, since you already understand our topic this morning, I will group you into two groups.
Yes.
Please go.
Go.
Okay, class, I will group you into two groups. Please count off. 1, 2, 1, 2.
One.
Okay. For the group 1, you are here. And for the group 2. Okay, group 1, please read the direction.
Write or label what common type of childhood disease shown in that picture.
Okay, for the group 2,
Match the picture relates corresponding common type of childhood diseases.
okay, class, I will give you 3 minutes
Bename. So, number 1, the first picture, it is common clothes. Number 2, chicken pox. Number 3, sore eyes. Number 4, influenza. And number 5 is mumps. Okay, it's all correct. So, let's give an amazing clap to group 2. Amazing! So, that would be all, class. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Goodbye.